If the quick share is not working on your Realme 14T, then first of all we can go to settings. Then in the settings we're gonna scroll pretty much all the way down, and over here you should be able to go to Google, switch to all services, and scroll down in order to find quick share. The first thing that you can do is go to who can share with you, and of course we want to make sure that we are visible to nearby devices. Make sure that this option is on. After that, there is a chance that the option below is set to your devices, and most likely you want to switch that to either contacts or everyone, depending if you have the other person that you want to quick share with saved in your contacts in your Google account. If not, then you can simply choose everyone. By default, we are visible to everyone for 10 minutes, but we can uncheck this box in order to stay visible for as long as we want to. And that's pretty much it. So make sure that you are visible to nearby devices, and most likely you want to select everyone during the process of transferring data. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.